Did you know that it's possible to add a timer to PowerPoint slide? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do it. Let's get started. As you can see, this is how the timer can look like. Firstly, we need to install Timer Extension in PowerPoint. To do so, go to Home tab and find on Add-ins button. If you don't see this button here, just click on Search bar here and write Add-ins. Now click on Add-ins option. Then click on Get Add-ins button and the window with Office add-ins will open. Now in Search tab search for Breaktime Extension and click on Add button on the right side from Breaktime. Then click on Continue button. As you can see, the basic timer has been added to our presentation. You can adjust your timer as you want. You can change the size of timer field, change break minutes and seconds, or choose different background. Now let's try out new timer. I will set 5 minutes and then click on Start button. As you can see, the timer has began. If you need to stop the timer, just click on Stop button. If you need to start again after some time, click on Reset button and the timer will set back to 5 minutes. Now we can try how our new timer looks like in our presentation. So go to Slideshow tab. And then click on From Beginning option. Then click on Start button and as you can see, the timer settings will automatically hide. Now just move the cursor back to the timer settings and it will be visible again. And this is everything. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.